Electric bills across Pennsylvania continue to rise, and now, with new federal proposals threatening the solar tax credit, homeowners are wondering, is it still worth going solar?
At Green Home Systems, we say yes, absolutely. Because we've created the most affordable solar package in Pennsylvania using the best new technology on the market. Our new system features Vertex N-Type high-efficiency panels, the same premium solar cells used in utility-scale power plants. These panels deliver more power in less space, with greater long-term durability, even in low sunlight. They're paired with APSystems Microinverters, a smart, decentralized system that allows every panel to perform at its best, no matter the shading or conditions. It also includes real-time monitoring, so you're in control every day. Want backup power during outages? We've got you covered. You can add battery storage by APSystems to keep your home running, day or night.
All this starting at just $2.30 per watt, that's only $8,000 for a 5-kilowatt system after tax credit.
As a Panasonic Elite installer and Enphase Gold partner, we've built our reputation on performance, value, and trust. But now we're focused on one thing: making solar affordable for every homeowner in Pennsylvania.
Secure your price before tax credits disappear.